Welcome to the CCRG English for the Student Experience module, specifically Working Toward a Goal, Part 1. This presentation introduces teachers to the steps that students should take based on the data from the student's diagnostic. By the end of the presentation, teachers will have some ideas to assist their students in choosing their next steps in their individualized study path. My name is Elizabeth Williamson. I've been teaching the CCRG English 4 pilot course for a few years. Hope that this and other presentations are beneficial to you. The screenshots used in this presentation are from a student demo, which allows teachers to have a better idea of what students will see while they're working toward their goals in EdReady. So after a student has completed the EdReady diagnostic, this screen will appear. Students should click View Study Path. This is how the screen transitions once the student clicks View Study Path, as well as Show Details. Students need to work sequentially through the units, as listed under Units You Should Study. Also, notice that the color coding is prevalent as learned in previous presentations. If students forget to follow the color coding key here, they can have the mouse hover, as shown here, which explains that grammar for Unit 1, Introduction to College Reading and Writing, is white, which means it was not assessed on the diagnostic. You will be able to see information about Unit 2 on the next slide. Here, Show Details and Use Shapes have been selected. You see the difference here with the shapes. The colors remain the same. Unit 2 is down below for units you did well on. The student did very well on the questions asked for Unit 2, Identify Main Idea. Every unit has a topic. Reading is the first topic, writing is the middle topic, and grammar is the last topic. So again, there are reading, writing, and grammar topics in each unit. There, in the Learn, you have reading passages, videos, and activities. Students will study these in order to master the topic and then the unit. Students will take a short assessment or a quiz for each topic. Once each topic is mastered, the student will take the unit test. If students get frustrated, maybe encourage them to review their notes, go to a different unit, or choose a different topic in that unit. Students may view any unit in their study path by just clicking on the title. Discourage students from clicking View Study Path on this screen. Since students must work through these units sequentially, clicking Unit 1 is the best move. Based on the color coding, the grammar topic in Unit 1 was not assessed on the diagnostic. I encourage my students when deciding where to start in their study path to choose one of 3 options. Always start with the grammar topic, start with the topic they feel most confident, or let their color coding guide them. This tip requires students to continuously use the data from their diagnostic results to make timely, efficient decisions about what to study. This screenshot is from the first time the student opens a unit for their study path. Notice this note pop up. After clicking Close, the note pop-up disappears and students will be able to see the reading, writing, and grammar topics. You can see reading in the background, and there are circles beneath. The red circles indicate that the student is not ready to take the test or quiz for the reading topic, so he or she must learn. Student also is not ready to take the Unit 1 test, Introduction to College Reading and Writing. This student clicked on Test, but EdReady wants to make sure the student is ready to take the assessment. There are 2 ways, here and here, that the student can exit and change his or her mind. And of course, the student can start the test. View Part 2 of this presentation to discover the specific learning targets represented by the red arrows in the reading topic, for example, or the writing, as well as the learning topics in grammar. You'll also see examples of supplemental materials that are given, and then all of the parts of the content for Learn here in the topics for the unit.